Welcome back to my channel English with Manik Sir. Today I am back with another new topic, which is by means of. We are going to learn how to use by means of in a sentence. I have already made many videos on advanced structures of English. You can use those structures in your daily conversation. So without any further delay, let's get started. I only wake up in time for work by means of an alarm clock. He got the prize by means of hard work. He climbed the tree by means of a ladder. The load was lifted by means of a crane. He let himself down slowly by means of a rope. He escaped by means of a secret tunnel. He tried to explain by means of sign language. If you like this video, so please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. For more such videos, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.